So students, in the previous class, we have learned about carbohydrates, fats and proteins. They are known to be as a nutrients. You got to know how to test for carbohydrate, fat and also protein. Did you perform the experiment which I told, which you can do in home? How many of you have done that? Raise your hands. Okay, Saima, Umayma have not done. Others? Ananya has done. Very good. Varun, no. Okay, Ananya. Ananya, you can unmute it. Try. Yeah, Ananya, please tell me. Tell me, how did you perform?
Ma'am.
How did you perform?
Ma'am, I have perform how to test the fats.
You tested for fats. Only for fats you tested. So what did you take?
Ma'am, fats and carbohydrates.
Both you have done. Okay, tell me, how did you do for fat?
Ma'am, fats, that coconuts, dry coconut is there now, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
That
Ananya.
I have taken and I have put it in the white sheet. I have put it inside that
Okay.
half.
Okay.
Ma'am, and carbohydrates.
You got that oily patches on the paper? Okay, very good, Ananya. You
Yes,
got oily patches when you did it with coconut, that is dry coconut. You have smashed it and you have observed the oily patches. Who else has done? Please raise your hands. Okay, Jeevita had done. Wait, Jeevita. Ananya, mute it now. Yeah, Jeevita, you can unmute it now. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I tested fats.
Fats only you tested? Oh, Ananya is showing the picture there. Everyone can see. Okay, fats you tested. With what you tested, Jeevita?
Ma'am, groundnut.
From the groundnut itself you tested. Did anyone do it for carbohydrate? Did anyone do it for carbohydrate? Okay, Ananya had done. Yeah, Ananya, please tell me. Ananya, tell me. How did you do?
Ma'am, that only, ma'am.
With potato only you did.
Yes, ma'am.
You did not send the pictures?
Ma'am, iodine solution that I brought and mixed with the water.
Mixed with water?
Ma'am, and put it on the half of potato and it is turned into violet color.
Violet?
Ma'am, blue and black.
Blue and black. You would have tried on other food items, no? Only on potato you tried? Next time you try with the other food items. Rice you can...
Ma'am, rice with that starch, it will come now, ma'am. Water.
Yeah. In that also you can test. Rice also you can test. Directly with rice also you can test. Okay, students. So till here we completed. So we got to know that we can test for carbohydrate, protein and fat. So all these are the nutrients. So what do we get from nutrients? Today let us know. So there is no teach next option. I can't show you the video. I will be explaining you today and tomorrow I will be showing you the video. Okay, students. So what do we get from these nutrients? So let us know one by one now. Okay. What do you get? Varun Sharma, you're raising hand. Wait. I can't search your name. First I will explain, later I will ask you. Fine. So what do you get from these? Right there, what do you get from these nutrients? What do you get from this nutrient? What do we get from carbohydrate? When you eat rice, okay, when you eat potato, When you eat maize, maize everyone know, right? So what, these are few examples I'm telling you. So what do you get from those things? Sweet potato everyone have eaten, I hope. Sweet potato genesu. Wheat everyone have eaten. Wheat everyone have eaten. Maize every one of you had eaten. Papaya, melon, muskmelon, watermelon. Jeevita, sit there. Okay, muskmelon every one of you have eaten. Mango, all these contain carbohydrate in them. You can write down the examples there. Maize, write the examples. Again, I will ask you to do homework. Maize, potato, sweet potato. In short, you write, rough you write. Sweet potato. Okay. So all these things are rich in carbohydrate. All these things are rich in carbohydrate. So what do they provide us? Why should we take carbohydrate? We have to take carbohydrate because they provide us energy. There are many work that has to be performed by a human being, by all the organisms. Dog, cat, even they eat food. What do they get from the food? What do they get from the food? They get energy from the food. That energy is used to do lot of work. You should write your homework, you should complete your classwork, you should study, you should watch TV, you should play in the ground, right? You should walk, you have to dance, you have to sing, you have to play. So for all these reasons, what is needed? Energy is needed. So from where do you get this energy? You get this energy by the carbohydrate. You get the energy by carbohydrate. Okay. So for what purpose you have to take carbohydrate? You should take carbohydrate because why you need carbohydrate? Because you need energy. They provide us energy. Similarly, fats. Are you able to hear me, students? My screen is stuck here. My screen is stuck. There is some problem.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ